Very recently, on the Diary of a CEO, Morgaudat shared some rather disturbing ideas. Let's talk about why replacing human leadership with AI is a dangerous and founded idea. The proposition that we should replace flawed human leaders with AI may sound bold and futuristic, but in reality, it is deeply misguided, logically flawed, and potentially harmful. It's a narrative that borders on propaganda, and it distracts from the real issue: poor leadership and unchecked human power, not the absence of artificial intelligence. Let's be clear. The solution is never to remove humans from leadership. The moment humans lose oversight and accountability, we lose control over values, directions, and outcomes of our society. The great John Maxwell said it well. Leadership is all about influence. The true measure of leadership is the ability to influence. Nothing more, nothing less. The core flaw here is that the leaders choose the values, and the leaders are humans. AI does not choose its own values. Humans do. AI systems do not develop ethics, morals, or goals autonomously. They are trained, programmed, and directed by humans. If unethical leaders control these systems, you don't remove the problem. You supercharge it. You're not eliminating corruption. You're giving it better tools. AI is not inherently fair or unbiased. The myth of AI fairness is dangerous. In theory, AI is impartial. In practice, it is trained on human-created data across regions, boundaries, and countries, which often includes bias, propaganda, and injustice. Garbage in and garbage out. An AI trained on wartime data or historical inequality will learn and replicate those patterns. AI doesn't seek power. People do. AI doesn't desire dominance, control, or influence, but humans do. And when they use AI to automate their agenda, it only amplifies their reach, their speed, their impact. The real risk: evil leaders will have better tools. Removing the human in the loop doesn't reduce harm, it removes accountability. Once AI becomes the decision maker, without oversight, you're left with a black box system that carries out flawed objectives at scale, with no room for human nuance, dissent, or correction. This is not leadership. This is automation of power, and there is a big difference between leadership and authority. The real path forward, my friends, is human-led, ethically governed AI. Instead of imagining AI as a replacement for human leadership, we should focus on how AI can support and reinforce ethical governance, but only under specific critical conditions. Human oversight is non-negotiable. AI must never be allowed to make sovereign decisions without a human-in-the-loop framework, ever. Ethical diversity in design is crucial. AI systems must be built by diverse teams, not just billionaires or technocrats, to reflect the variety of cultures, values, and lived realities. We should also employ transparency and auditable systems. Where possible, open source development and explainability must be standard. Opaque models empower manipulation and corruption. Global collaboration is key, not national isolation. AI is not confined to borders. Ethical governance must be multinational and multipolar. No one country sets the standard for all. Let's talk about the hammer analogy. Think of AI as a hammer. It can build a house, or it can be used as a weapon. It's not the tool that's evil, it's the hand that wields it. Think about it. AI is amplifier technology. It magnifies intent. If we feed it justice, it may help us scale fairness. If we feed it corruption, it will scale that faster. A better way, a safer way for humans to frame this is as follows. Don't replace humans with AI. Instead, restrain humans with ethical systems and let AI support the reinforcement of those systems under human control. This is the pragmatic path forward. Not utopian, not dystopian, responsible. As you approach AI in today and tomorrow's world, season it with a dose of humanity. The human in the loop analogy. Understanding that leadership is all about influence. Positive, lasting influence based on ethics, based on values and principles. We must have a global coalition to leadership in the world of AI. Thank you for listening. If this resonates with you, like, subscribe, and share.